Welcome to the in front of me Vivo Y01, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should get the Google Play application, the Play Store application, and here in the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application installing on your device. Now just open the app here, click yes I agree, pick close, then click OK in the left down corner, and as you can see here we got the information with the temperature of our device battery, that's 26 and 6 degrees. Also we got here the battery health information, the level, about the level, capacity, and more other info like the Android version, model, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.